Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurayati. My program studi is Office Administration Education, Fakulty Ekonomi, University of Jakarta. In here, I want to present the result of my internship at Badan Pusat Statistik, or the short name is BPS. At the BPS, my division is Financial Administration. Previously, I would like to mention the points will be present. First, I will explain the place and time of work implementation. 2, I will explain the organization structure. 3, I will explain the history of BPS. And 4th, I will explain the general activity in BPS and the general activity in financial administration. And 5, I will explain the field of work implementation. And 6, I will explain the problem in the implementation work. The last, I will explain how to solve or overcome the problem in implementation of work. The first, I will explain the place and time of work implementation. The place for my internship is the Badan Pusat Statistik, or BPS, which is a location at Dr. Sutomo Street, number 628, Jakarta Central. My reason I choosing BPS because BPS very close with Stasiun Juanda, and I'm so curious with the population census in the year. And my division is a financial administration because it's the same with my major in UNJ. Time for the internship is from January 20 to February 28, 2020. And the operational time is Monday to Tuesday at 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the free day, the 7:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Next, the history of BPS. In Indonesia, statistical activities has been carried out during the Hindia Belanda government in February 1920. This institution was tasked the processing and publishing statistical data in Indonesia, and for the first time, population census activities doing in Indonesia were in 1930. On 1997, the Biro Pusat Statistik, which is the before name, changed into the Badan Pusat Statistik. Next, BPS have a structured organization, and BPS have one leader. The under leader is the main secretariat. And BPS have 5 bureau, 5 deputy, 15 directorate, 1 main inspectorate, and 3 regional inspectorate. And BPS has a school called the College of Statistics, or usually we know Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Statistik, or STIS. Next, I will explain the general activities in BPS. First, population census activities. These activities conducted every 10 years, carried out in the year ending in the number 0. And now the population census doing, because the year is 2020. 2. Agricultural census activities, carried out once in 10 years, and in the year ending number 3. And 3 activities is economy census activities, carried out once in 10 years, and in the year ending number 6. And the last activities is census data processing. After doing the census, BPS processing data census with the application BPS. Next, I will explain the general activities in financial administration. First, financial administration activities. These activities take care of correspondent recording finance. Second activities is making salary list for employee in the central office. And third, the activities making treasury and compensation. Next, I want to explain about the field of work that I did during internship. There are 4 fields that I worked on during internship, at BPS that are first computer and administration field. In here, I doing to entry data into the application BPS and I use Microsoft Word Excel for make workshop attendance list. The application BPS can I use first Satker application system. In here I make a payment warrant, and the second application I use the portal Premia. In here I print a recapitulation list work benefit payments. And third, I will the Zifira application. In here I enter the data SPP and enter the new SPP file. Fourth, I use the Spanin application. In here I print SP2D. And the last, I will use the GPP application. In here I print 1600 SPT for employee in the central office. To archive field, in here I am filling document. The document that I archive is a list of payroll tax returns, warrant for payment, and recapitulation of employee work benefit payment, and all document put into one small hectare and stored in the filing cabinet. 3. Secretariat field. In here I retrieve Ponsel, retrieve GUES before facing the leadership and delivering letter to other division. And the last, correspondent field. In here I make assessment, I make a memorandum, I make disposition lead sheet, and envelope making, and record incoming and outgoing the letter into the agenda book. Next, I get some problem when the implementation of work at BPS. That are the first is the lack socialization and direction at the beginning of work. It makes difficult for me to adaptation at BPS, and the work given is not clear, and I think so much free time that I get. And second, more workload than given time. I feel difficult when giving the printing job 1600 SPT within 5 days. Besides that, there was another job. Third, not be careful carried out by the head of division when checking the result of my work. In here, I feel very difficult for me because I have to reprint many as 1000 SPT for 3 days. Because the problem, I will overcome this problem in the implementation of work. For the first problem, I will build communication with the employee there and build the communication with head of division. I try to communication because I want get acquainted and building activity communication. For example, I asking question about work or problem outside of work to get a closer with employee there. And for the second problem, I will make a time management because I want the job to be fully complete and maximum result. Therefore, in this case, I have to give priority to the task given by making a priority scale. And the last problem, I will more often ask to employee about the work I do so that there are mistakes. And in my opinion, the head of division must be careful and can also ask for help from the employee in carry out check on the work that I do. The last presentation, I will give conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion are: first, during carry out the activity of stress vendor, the field of work handle are the field computer and administration, secretariat, archive, and correspondency. And 2, I get new knowledge about field administration. And 3rd, I can overcome the problem, exit in the work, and I get practice become more disciplined, responsible, and independent. And my suggestion is many prepare before starting the internship, and take a place should be the same with the education major. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.